Alright, today we're going to be multiplying polynomials, or monomials. In this case, the first few cases we're just multiplying two monomials together. I know they're monomials because they don't have any addition or subtraction signs in them. And so I'm just going to multiply 5 times 4, which is 20. And then we've also learned that we add our exponents together, because this really says x times x, and this says x times x times x. So you can see that really we have 5 x's being multiplied together. So a reminder on that rule is that we add our exponents together. That's different than we're adding. Let me go ahead and show you. If this was being added together, this would be the simplified answer. So if I was adding, I could not add these together. This would be the answer. Adding requires like terms. On the next problem, we are multiplying again, so I'm going to multiply 1/3 times 12. 1/3 times 12 happens to be cross reduce. You get 4. So I have 4, and then I have x squared times x cubed. There isn't any x's over here, so I have x. Keep my base, add my exponents. Then I have y to the first times y to the fourth. So 1 plus 4 is 5. And then z, I've got z to the second times z to the fifth. 2 plus 5 is 7. My answer is 4x to the fifth, y to the seventh. With some more examples here, now we're going to take a monomial and distribute it through the polynomial. So what I have is I have 4 times 5, which is 20. B times b to the second, this is b to the first. So I'm adding 1 plus 2, which would be b to the third. Bring down your plus sign. 4 times 1 is 4. B to the first times b to the first is b to the second, because you're adding 1 plus 1. Plus 4 times 6 is 24. And I carry my b through. There's nothing that can be added together. None of those are like terms, so that is my answer. On the next problem, I'm going to go ahead and change my signs to plus the opposite before I begin. And then I will be distributing this to each of the terms. -7 times 3 is -21. This is h to the first, so I have h to the first times h to the second. So I end up with h to the third. Plus -7 times -8 is positive 56. H to the first times h to the first is h to the second. That's 1 plus 1. Plus -7 times -1 is positive 7. Carry my h through. My next problem, I'm going to change my signs to plus the opposite. Distribute. So I've got 2x to the first times x to the second is x to the third. Plus 2 times -6 is -12. X to the first times x to the first is x to the second. And then 2 times 5 is 10. Carry my x through. Number 6. Distribute again. So I have -2 times 3, which is -6. G to the third times g to the third is g to the sixth, because that's 3 plus 3. Plus -2 times 6 is -12. G to the third times g to the first is g to the fourth. And then -2 times -5 is positive 10. Carry my g to the third through. We've got 2 more like this, and then we'll be starting another bit of a topic. So I'm going to distribute again. So I've got 6 times 2, which is 12. X to the first times x to the first is x to the second. Minus, or you can change it to plus the opposite, -18. Carry my x through. Down here I've got 5 times 2, which is 10. X to the first times x to the first is x to the second. And then 5x times 1 is just 5x. Again, none of these were being able to be added together because you do not have like terms when finishing multiplying those problems together.